This is it? Really?
I can come out and put things up. Can't go down there to it.
There's a dog.
Oh God, dog!
It's a dog.
Oh, it's charging!
Stop charging, Doug.
Hi, little Bobby.
So pretty.
Bye, Bobby. Oh no, don't chase us! No, no,
He's racing us.
nobody. Nobody. You're gonna have to outrun that down. Bye bye.
Chasing us.
Huh?
It's chasing us.
Let's stop.
Yeah, it's in the middle of the road.
Like an idiot. Tennessee floods. Suck.
Go around little chicken. Turn Feed Creek out. We'll go home.
Where's that at?
I don't around.
What ladder?
I feel bad for whoever lives there.
Oh, I can go
She
canoeing.
was in pretty bad shape. I don't know if she died or not.
Oh, I can go canoeing there.
I can't. Too deadly. I'm showing the people that want to see of the view of the tube. Oh, pumpkins! Yeah, no dirt. I don't think they can see it anymore.
I can see.
Yeah, I think she ain't gonna cross that creek. Look at that. I'm worth my truck away.
I like it very well. Where's your shirt? Forgot it. I left it at the house. Well, this is what Tennessee looks like. This is what it even looks like. Wait a second.
Dang, it washed the shit out of it.